Okay, never mind this Jesus Christ light right here. Let me go ahead and explain how Blok'd has helped save or prevent 10 years worth of doom scrolling in the past 8 months or so. So what you're seeing right now is a graph of all of the block sessions. This is real data that we've captured since August. And a little point here represents a unique session, and a session is defined as the amount of time that the user was blocked for a particular date. So it's better explained if I go through a single session right here. And so in this case, David, which is a friend of the brand, actually worked with us for a bit. David on December the 2nd had a block session that lasted almost 6 hours. That means that he blocked his distractions and then 6 hours later he decided to unblock. So that's what this 1 point represents. But David in his block history has actually recorded over 450 sessions, and all those sessions have amounted to over 41 days in total block time. His mean session length is about 2 hours, and you can see here all of the sessions that he's engaged with since August, and actually prior to that as well. And if you scroll up, you can see some of his longer sessions, right? This is almost a day, this is over a day, this is almost 2 days, and so forth. So this is only David as a user. But across all of our users, you can see this same graph that I showed initially, which is all of them. I've kind of hidden the name for obvious purposes, but you can see that across all of our users for the past 8 months or so, there's been over 9,000 sessions recorded, amounting to almost 10 years of total block time. And then here you can see some statistics. And medium session length is over 3 hours. Mean is 3 times that, which if you have some background in statistics, you can imagine how the distribution for these, when plotted over duration, is left skewed. It actually resembles a power law, where there's a few set of users that block for a lot of time. And then as I scroll up, you can see how less and less sessions go for longer, but there's still like a good amount of sessions that go over 1 day, go over 2 days, go over 3 days, and so forth. Actually, our record is a session that lasted longer than 2 months. In that particular use case, that person, instead of deleting the apps, reinstalling, deleted, just kind of blocked and never went back. So yeah, just wanted to showcase this data that we've recorded for Blok'd so far. I think it's actually pretty interesting to go through this. 200 hours blocked, 211 hours blocked, and so forth. So we're seeing actually, this is fun for me to do, to actually see this and see how kind of we help people be more aware and more intentional with their screen time. They still use their phone. They have, say, Spotify if they go to the gym, or Apple Notes or whatever. They just block the distractions. Peace.